Hello, my name is Mohammad Saswan. My matrix number is 07DTP23F1021. Today, I'm I'm gonna present about Project 1 tool design. So this is the list of content: introduction, defection in molding process, type of injection mold, mold design, injection molding process, preliminary factor in mold design, discussion, and conclusion. So first, introduction. Injection molding is a forming process using mold materials such as synthetic resin are heated and melted and then sent to the mold where they are cooled to form the design shape. Due to the resemblance to the process of injecting fluid using a syringe, this process is called injection molding. Now we go to injection molding process. First is extrusion molding. How it works: form of plastic or metal materials into a predefined shape. During the process, the material is melted and pushed through an extrusion molding machine, forming a long tube-like shape or rod. Application: tubes, pipe, wire coating. Second is blow molding. How it works: softening plastic by heating a preform or parison. The parison is a tube-like piece of plastic with a hole in one end through which compressed air can enter. So applicationnya bottle and container. Next, transfer molding. How it works: preheated plastic is placed in a chamber, then transferred into the mold cavity by a plunger. Application: electronic component and automotive part. Next, piston injection molding. How it works: plastic pellets are placed into a heated chamber where they melt into liquid. A piston then push this molten plastic into a closed mold that is shaped like the final product. Application: industry and medical healthcare. Now we go to defect in injection molding. First is play, appearing as silver or white streak on the surface. Second, flow lines, visible streak caused by cooling issue. Third, flash, unwanted layer of plastic escape the mold cavity. Now we go to preliminary factor in mold design. First, injection molding cycle have 5 steps. Number 1 is clamping. Second, injection. Third, packing. Fourth, cooling. Fifth, ejection. Number 2 is sprue gate, pad for molten entry. Number 3 is number of impression. Ada 3 yaitu single tool, multi tool, and family tool. Next is clamping force, prevent mold from opening. Next, runner system. Runner system terbagi kepada 2 yaitu cold runner injection mold and hot runner injection mold. First we go to cold runner. Cheaper, simple but produce more waste. Manakala hot runner pula keep plastic molten inside channel, reduce waste but more expensive. Next, clamping force calculation, ensure accuracy and strength. So this is the formula: force equals pressure darab projected area. Now we go to type of injection mold. First, to plate mold. Type of injection molding tool used in the manufacturing process to produce plastic component or product. It is a fundamental and widely used mold design in the plastic injection molding industry. The name to plate refers to the mold structure, which consists of 2 main plates, A plate and B plate, that come together during the molding process. Number 2 is 3 plate mold, also named a small gate mold, comparing with 2 plate mold. One of the differences is additional mold plate is required between top clamp plate and cavity plate, which called runner plate. It allows the runner scrap and plastic molded part release separately. Now we go to mold component. Have 5 main component, yaitu number 1 ejector pin, number 2 cavity plate and core plate, number 3 guide pins and bushing, number 4 sprue, and last cooling channel. So this is my core design and cavity design and complete mold design. Next we go to discussion. This project focused on the development of a two-plate mold design, primarily due to its inherent advantage in manufacturing simplicity, cost effectiveness, and operational reliability. Critical components such as runner, cooling channel, and ejector pin were meticulously incorporated to ensure optimal product quality. An in-depth analysis of prevalent molding defects, including flash, sink, mark, and weld line, was also conducted to devise effective preventive strategy. Overall, the design successfully demonstrates the synergistic interaction among the mold component in producing parts that meet precise specification and maintain consistency. Lastly, we go to conclusion. This project successfully provides a comprehensive understanding of the injection molding process and the fundamental principle governing two-plate mold design. Each major mold element, specifically the core, cavity, and cooling system, play a significant role in determining the final product quality. Furthermore, the systematic study of molding defects facilitates the identification of problem source and the formulation of appropriate mitigation method. In conclusion, the project clearly established the critical relationship between sound mold design and the achievement of efficient, high-quality production. That's all from me. Thank you.